Direct sunlight during application can make sealants cure too fast and cause bubbles, poor adhesion, and an uneven finish. Sealant chemistry depends on a controlled temperature and moisture environment to cross-link properly, so when concrete heats from direct sun, it can push the substrate and ambient air outside the manufacturer recommended range and accelerate solvent or water evaporation. Rapid evaporation traps gases and volatile components under the skin, forming blisters and bubbles that remain as the interior cures more slowly, and that trapped gas also creates weak points where adhesion fails. Higher substrate temperature increases thermal expansion, so the sealant shrinks as it cools and can pull away from the joint faces or stress the bond, leading to gaps and fissures. Ultraviolet radiation can also alter surface energy by drying or oxidizing fine surface residues and make wetting worse, so the sealant cannot form the intimate contact needed for a durable bond. To prevent these problems, work during cooler parts of the day or cover the work area with breathable shade. Keep surfaces within the temperature range specified on the technical datasheet, and use products formulated for high temperature application when shade is impossible. Always test a small sample joint first. Follow the specified substrate temperature and moisture limits, and allow extra cure time before subjecting the joint to movement or traffic. The most common mistakes are applying sealant to a hot sun-baked surface, which causes blistering, leaving insufficient joint depth, which increases stress and leads to splitting, and failing to follow the product cure window so movement is introduced before full cross-linking. If the surface is hot and blistering appears, remove the failed material and reapply in cooler conditions, and add temporary shading during cure. For shallow joints, add backer rod to achieve the correct depth to width ratio so the sealant can move properly without tearing. If work must be done during a narrow cure window, choose a high temperature tolerant formulation and schedule work for early morning or late afternoon, and allow extended cure time before loading. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for repair and replacement work related to sealant failure and other environmental impact issues, and we connect contractors with homeowners actively seeking jobs. We also host a discussion community where we and our users share real-world tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot problems together.